Hello to all, my name is Rishabh. I am from Ambience Creation. I welcome Zirex behalf of Ambience Group. Talking about Ambience Creation, you can see there are only 2 flats or an apartment in each core. This will be the lift facilities that we will be providing to the guest of the apartment as well as resident. Now we are going for 3090 square feet that stands with 3 BHK plus servant. See the craftsmanship that has been designed. It has been designed by teak wood, ensuring full safety and hazardous situation. Another, there will be a security check. There will be a audio and as well as video recording for the guest or the visitors. This will be your kitchen that we will be providing you with the upper cabins as well as your lower cabins. If you talk about hob and chimney, we are providing them, or you can say we are providing complete package of white appliances. You can see the fridge also. We are providing it. This will be your double height sink that we will be providing with RO purifiers as well as your garbage crushers. So it will help you so that you will not get the choke of your sink. Now talking about the forward way, I am taking to you its balcony that has been connected with the servant room. This will be your wash machine as well as your dryer that has been connected to the servant room. It is a complete room for the servant so that a person can sleep and can accommodate his services to his lot. Now coming back to kitchen. We are providing this UPVC that can control your lousy as well as for the sound that can be, as well as your UV rays also. Now going for the right thing that stands with for the guest room. This will be your guest room. We are providing almiras over here. This will be its washroom over here. We are providing premium quality of fittings and the cubicle for the shower. The best part of my apartment is that it all have veranda with attached to the rooms. This will be your balcony that will help you to get the light as well as cross ventilation. This will be the wooden paneling that we are giving on a roof of this apartment. This will be your small, you can say a powder room for the guest or for the urgent use. The best part of my luxury is that I have not used a single tile on my apartments. I have used entirely Botticino Italian marble. So this is the major USP of my craftsmanship. We are providing the fans as well as your false ceilings and ACs This will be my dining table or your dining room. Now we are going for the second room of this beautiful apartment. This will be the second room of this apartment. We are providing same almirah, you can check, with a huge depth of storage. A person gets very satisfied about that. Same washroom will be there, same fittings will be there. Same lighting on the roof will be provided by us. Now, talking about the best part again, is the balcony attached to the room, which help you to get the view of green as well as pool. Now we will be moving for the third and the final master bedroom. This will be my master bedroom, which is also connected with the veranda. The best utilization of master bedroom is the utilization of almirah space in L shape, which helps you to get the maximum storage space. This will be the storage space that we will be giving to our respectful customers. This will be the washroom that we are providing. Same shower, same cubicles we are providing with elegant CP fittings. The best part is the breeze that everyone enjoys, whether it is morning time or evening time. The best part, we have created this split ACs into a craftsmanship that is looking like a centralized AC in each room. I believe you love this beautiful tour. I am really thankful for your patience, as well as please do like and subscribe, and for your queries we all are welcome. Thanks a lot.